Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. In this video, today I am showing fix virus problem on Windows 11, complete virus and malware removal tutorial. Is your PC acting strange, running slow or showing pops-ups? It's for you. It could be a virus. Now we'll click search bar and click run. Type MRT. It's for Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tools. Let's open. Just click next. We can select full scan, enter the system to remove malware software, then click next. You can see your entire system are scanning for malware or virus infected area by infected files. Now we can check is take time to need base your PC file or folder or data. Please subscribe IP Service, like, comment, share. Now we can check our system for Windows malicious software or malicious file for our system. It takes time. Looks scan result, no malicious software was detected or files were detected. You can details result on the scan. Just click finish. Second step, we're going to Google and type Malwarebytes. It's a free tools for scanning malwares or your system, Windows system. Now we can see first to last to how to enable this Malwarebytes tools. Just click download. It's open and install. Malwarebytes setup wizard. Just click install for personal. This browser we don't need. Just skip. This is installing is running. When it is complete, done. Now installing. Just complete and open interface. Just we'll click scan now. It's checking for updates, scanning memory, scanning startup items, scanning file system. Is 4 step to check your system for looking any malware or suspicious file and virus. Scanning startup item and scanning file system. It's very fast to scan your PC like a pro. A little bit wait for your scanning is complete. You can see the result for your device. Good news, no threat detected. Next, trusted advisor is checking for gaps in your system. No gaps found. Wi-Fi enable, Wi-Fi connection is secure, Windows secure. Almost done. if you newsletter to input your email or skip now. Well done. Now let's get you protected. If you want to buy subscription, click this option. Nothing to avoid this. Just click run and click temp, %temp. You can free your usable things. Just click continue. Delete all these files, temporary file. Many other files are not deleted in this stage because your many systems are running background. Just close. Now you can check disk cleaning. Drive C. Okay. Scan your device. You can find temporary file. Select thumbs. Just delete. Okay and delete. Cleaning your C drive to speed up your PC or free RAM. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe IP service.